Hey guys, Bitcoin Owen here. For all the Irish investors out there, you can now DCA on Revolut. Yes, you can now DCA on Revolut. This means you don't need to go to strike. The only problem I see with Revolut are the transaction fees. It's 3.99%, which is high. There are a lot of people, a lot of service providers out there that will buy Bitcoin for you at 0%. So 4% is a bit high, but their execution might be better. So you need to factor in the execution too. What kind of a price are you getting? Are you getting a good price or a bad price for Bitcoin when you go to buy Bitcoin? But anyway, yeah, you can DCA. DCA means dollar cost average. That means you set up a daily, a weekly, or a monthly. Buy it every day or every week on that. It buys at no matter what the price of Bitcoin is. It buys your chosen quantity of euros, 100, 1,000, 10,000 euros at a go. That's DCA, dollar cost averaging. But we're using euros in Ireland, of course, so it's really euro cost averaging. ECA should be. In other news, Anthony Pompliano did a video on Twitter just now with Warren Pies, at Warren Pies, Pies, on Twitter. And this guy said that in America, what's driving the whole boom in the S&P is debasement. Basically, it's a debasement trade, and investors have moved. We'd say from 18 months. We'd say pre-COVID, it was all about preservation of capital, basically. Holding on to your money, not losing money. Don't lose money, basically. And now it's a debasement trade. Preservation of purchasing power rather than preservation of capital. Mr. Pies pointed out. Yeah, I would agree with that. It's frenzied buying, like on Wall Street at the moment of the S&P, and silver and gold as well. Not so much Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been flat for 6 months now, going on 6 months. When will Bitcoin catch a bid? It's getting sooner and sooner and sooner. The green candle, the Omega candle of Samson Mow is coming, I reckon, anyway, and it could come before year's end. We won't know until next year, really, if the 4-year Bitcoin cycle is over. It will be around this time next year when we'll know for sure. But there are people saying at the moment, commenting on it at the moment, and saying that it's over. The 4-year cycle is over, and it's just we'll move up in steps now like that. It won't go up and down. It'll just go up in flat.